Welcome to the next tutorial in creating the complex boat hull. What we're going to be doing now is building our profiles on these planes. To do that, we need to select on the sketch tool. We're coming in and selecting on our first plane, and that will rotate to view. We then need to come up to the line tool and select that and come down to this origin and select. Now what you need to do is to rotate this slightly like I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see I've got this green line and I've got this green axis and I've got this red axis. I need to come up on the green axis and just select up until I get the X, the little sort of cross symbol that you can see there, and select. I come back down to this bottom origin and come out till I get that X again along the red axis and select. Then I can come up to my spline tool and I can create whatever shape I wanted to, and green tick to accept. I then can come across to the select tool and make modifications to that. I even come up to the view tool and just press the right tool and just bring it in till I can sort of play around till I can get the shape that I really wanted to get. And after I've done that, I just say finish sketch. I'm going to rotate that again as I've done before. And I'm going to just make sure that I've pressed escape on the keyboard just to deselect anything. And I come up to the create sketch and I go to the next one. I go to the line tool as before, go to the origin, select. Now I'm going to rotate that slightly. I'm going to come up to this point and select, and then I'm going to select again, go along the red axis until I've created that, and then I can create with my spline tool, my next shape, whatever that would be, and then I'm going to my select tool, then to the view cube, so rotate that to view, and then I'm just going to move that into more of the position that I wanted. Of the shape that I'm happy with for my next profile going out. Something like that. This needs to be pulled down slightly. And then, okay, all right, the next one, I just keep that process. Go and press escape tool. Select again, select here. Then from the origin with the line tool, going to rotate slightly, going up the green axis till I hit my keel line and I select. Come down to the origins, come along the red axis until I select on the actual top profile shape, and then coming up to the spline tool once again, and I just keep repeating this process until I've finished the whole lot. Green tick to accept, go to the right tool, then select, just move that around to where I am happy with what I want. Or this shape, I think. This needs to come down slightly. And last one, selecting. And that's what happens if you don't press escape. Creates another sketch, which we can just select here and press delete on the keyboard just to get rid of it. I press escape on the keyboard, select again, and select on my plane. There we go, on the origin, once again, I'm then just going to rotate that to view, bring that up to the very top, which I have here. Selecting again along the red axis, and select that totally up. And then for my final profile, now, green tick, if it doesn't totally go solid, it means that you haven't connected it up, as you should have. Just going to go back here. Select here just to get that where I wanted to. And I'm happy with that. Green tick and accept. Alright, now I definitely know now that I'm selected onto these two lines, my keel line and my top profile line with my different profile shapes. To get back in and make modifications, you can just select, right click, and then come up to edit sketch, and that'll take you back into the sketch where you can make any adjustments that you like, and then just finish the sketch. All right, in the next tutorial, we're going to loft all these shapes up to create our hull design, but that's in the next tutorial.